All right, so we are working on a Ford Explorer, if I'm not mistaken. Let me come around this side. Got the fronts jacked up. Got my 6-ton jacks up underneath it for extra support. And this is an Expedition right here. Ford Expedition, it's a big one. And remember to use Sputo Mobile Mechanic here. Number 214-791-7037, and the Facebook page Sputo Mobile Mechanic. We come to people's houses and make jobs as simple as possible. So what we're actually working on here today is we're changing out the hub assembly on this Expedition. Now, this one's actually fairly simple, as you can see here. There is no middle axle nut, which makes the job a lot easier. So, real quick overview. All that needs to be done is to remove these two big 18mm bolts. They actually hold in your caliper, and you could just move these off, take the caliper and the brakes off as a whole, and then you'll actually have your ABS wire. You fish it through this area here, and it'll go up past the wheel well and connect to a wire, which is going to be right in this area down here. So what you want to do before inserting your new hub is take you a wire wheel. We'll go over here really quick, and as you see, not this one though. For that, we'd want to use one that's a little bit more circular, like this. Okay. Grab my gloves. You're gonna have a lot of brake dust flying off. And I do have a mask on right now for the pandemic that's going on. Topo Chico right there for hydration. Okay. We're going to clean out the area for the hub. And after you clean out the area for the hub, you want to make sure that you have some grease handy. In my case, it's multi-purpose grease right here. Okay. And you're gonna grease. After this is all nice and cleaned, you're gonna grease where the new hub will actually sit. And then you also grease the back area right around that blue bearing. You insert it. This is how you're going to do your hub assembly.